Hotel Odense. Odense, Denmark. In 1986, serial number is 12963 and not modernized in 1987. Only the main elevators were modernized or replaced. Second floor. Eight parcels, 630 kilograms. This elevator is rope hydraulic. Basement is built by EMT and maintained by Kone. These buttons are not original, but at least they are still M series. Basement. That's